Hello friends, today I will explain you work from home job payroll specialist across in India. This is the US company hiring from India. Okay, complete video, don't skip. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to Career Next Hub. If you have ever dreamed of working for a leading international company while living in India and earning a salary in foreign currency, then today opportunity is definitely worth your attention. In this video, I will walk you through an exciting work from home payroll specialist position offered by a well established US based consulting company. This role allows you to work remotely from everywhere, anywhere in India with a few day work week, meaning your Saturday and Sunday are completely off. Depending on your skills, experience, and interview performance, the salary for this position can go up to approximately rupees 1.65 lakhs per month. Throughout this video, I will explain everything you need to know, including company background, job role, eligibility criteria, salary details, required qualification, work responsibility, selection process, and document required, and step-by-step application process. Important safety tips to avoid job scams. So make sure you watch until the end. About the company, the hiring company is Insight Global, one of the leading business consulting and staffing firms headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia and USA. Insight Global has been operating successfully since 2001 and has built a strong reputation in the global staffing and consulting industry. The company currently employs between 1,000 and 5,000 professionals and has a massive online presence with more than few million followers on LinkedIn, demonstrating its credibility and global recognition. Although its headquarters is located in Atlanta, the company has offices in several countries and cities including Atlanta, Georgia, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, Birmingham, Alabama, Phoenix, Arizona, California, various locations across the United States, and multiple offices in India. This global presence makes Insight Global one of the trusted multinational staffing organizations serving clients across different industries. What does Insight Global do? Many people ask what a staffing or implementation company actually does. An implementation or staffing company requires employees on its own payroll and assigns them to work for various client organizations across different countries. In simple words, you will officially work through Insight Global while supporting on of its international clients. This creates excellent opportunity for Indian professionals to work with global companies without relocating abroad. Job overview: position payroll specialist, remote job, job type permanent and work from home, full time job, work location candidates can apply from anywhere in India, working day Monday to Friday, few day work week, weekly off, Saturday and Sunday are fixed weekly holidays. Important dates: applications for these positions are already open since this is a private sector requirement. There is no written examination and generally no fixed last date for applications. Companies usually continue accepting applications until they find suitable candidates. Therefore, interested applicants should submit their applications as early as possible. Application fees: there is no application fees for this requirement. Insight Global does not charge candidates any fees for applying. Remember an important rule: a genuine employer never asks candidates to pay money for job application, interview, offer letter, training, security deposit, equipment charges. If anyone claims to represent the company and ask you transfer money, treat it as a potential scam and avoid further communication. Also, never share confidential information such as bank account details, debit card information, credit card issued, and OTP, internet banking password. Always protect your personal and financial information. Here, age limit: minimum age apply to 18 years. There is no upper age limit mentioned for these positions. As long as you meet the required qualifications and experience, you are eligible to apply regardless of your age. Education qualification. Candidates should possess the bachelor's degree from recognized university. This role is especially suitable for professionals with an academic background in accounting, finance, commerce, payroll, human resource, business administration, and related fields. Candidates with relevant payroll experience will receive preference. English communication skill. Since you are will be working with the international client, strong English communication skills are essential. You are regularly communicate with the account manager, client manager, HR teams, product manager, and internal stakeholder and external stakeholder. Therefore, candidates should be comfortable speaking and writing professional English. Here, salary details. One of the most attractive aspects of this opportunity is the salary. According to the job posting, the expected compensation ranges between US $5 and US to $10 per hour for candidates working remotely from India. For comparison, similar payroll specialist roles in the United States often pay around $35 to $40 per hour. However, remote positions hired from India generally follow a different compensation structure. Assuming an approximate exchange rate 94 rupees per US dollar, here is an estimate. If selected and US $5 around 470 per hour, approximately rupees 3760 per day. 8 hour shift this one, roughly rupees 82,700 per month, means 22 working days. If selected $10, the monthly salary reach approximately rupees 1,65,000 depending on the final offer experience and interview performance. Actual compensation may vary based on company policies, skills, and negotiation during the hiring process. Here, job responsibilities. Now, let's understand what your day to day responsibility will be if you are selected for this role. Insight Global is hiring remote payroll specialist based in India to support payroll operations for its international clients. The selected candidates will work on payroll projects involving multiple countries, including Romania, Algeria, Latvia, Slovenia, as a payroll specialist, your primary responsibility will be ensure that employees receive their salaries accurately and one time while following the payroll regulations, tax rules, and company guidelines applicable to each country. Your key responsibility will include managing end-to-end payroll processing for assigned international clients, then preparing, reviewing, and processing employee salary payment, and ensuring payroll calculation are accurate and compliant with country-specific regulations. Coordinating with human resources team regarding to employee payroll information, working closely with internal departments and external stakeholders to resolve payroll related issues, supporting payroll operations according to company policy and client requirement, maintaining payroll records and ensuring data accuracy, identifying opportunity to improve payroll process and recommending process enhancement and assistant with payroll audits whenever required, handling employee payroll queries professionally and within defined timelines, ensuring confidential employee information is protected all at all times. Since this is an international payroll, accuracy, attention to detail, and strong organization skills are extremely important. Required experience. This position is designed for experienced payroll professionals. Candidates should have at least 4 hours for experience in payroll operations or payroll management. Experience in handling payroll for international clients will be highly prepared. Candidates who have worked with payroll process related to Romania, Algeria, Latvia, and Slovenia or other European countries may receive additional preference. Required technical skills. The company is looking for a professionals who are comfortable working with global payroll software and ERP platforms. Experience with any of the following systems will be an advantage: SAP Payroll, ADP, Workday, Strada, other global payroll solutions. You should also have experience in payroll operations, payroll administration, payroll compliance, payroll project support, payroll data management, and employee salary processing. Additional skills. Apart from technical payroll knowledge, the company expects candidates to possess strong professional skills. Prepared skills include excellent verbal and written English communication, strong analytical and logical thinking, good problem solving ability, experience working with the ticketing system, and strong Microsoft Office skills, especially Microsoft Excel, ability to communicate effectively with the payroll vendors and international stakeholders, time management skills and attention to detail, ability to work independently while managing multiple priorities. Since you will be working remotely, you should also comfortable collaborating with global teams through virtual meeting and online communication platform. Who should apply? The opportunity is suitable for professionals who have completed bachelor's degree, possess at least 4 years of payroll experience, have experience handling payroll operations, can communicate fluency in English, are familiar with payroll software and ERP systems, want to work remotely from India, are looking for an international career opportunity with a reputed US based company. Freshers or candidates without payroll experience may not meet the eligibility requirement for this particular role. Selection process. The requirement process expected follow these stages. Online application. Submit your application to the company official requirement portal or LinkedIn job page. Second, resume screening. The hiring team will review your resume to evaluate whether the qualification and experience match the job requirement. 3. Shortlisting. Candidates whose profiles closely match the requirement will be shortlisted. Fourth, virtual interview. Shortlisted candidates will be invited for an online interview. During the interview, you may be asked about payroll experience, international payroll knowledge, ERP software experience, communication skills, problem solving ability, previous projects, client handling experience. Fifth, final selection. Candidates who successfully clear the interview, the complete the company verification process will receive the final offer. Document required: updated resume CV, resume or CV, LinkedIn profile, education certificate, experience certificate, government issued photo ID, other supported Go documents. Having a complete professional LinkedIn profile can improve your chances of getting noticed by recruiters. How to apply? If you meet the eligibility criteria and are interested in this work from home opportunity, you can apply online by following these simple steps. First, visit the official job page. Open the official job posting through the company careers website or its verified LinkedIn jobs page. Always make sure you are applying to an official source to avoid fake requirement websites. 2. Read the job description carefully. Before the submitting your application, carefully review the complete job description. Pay special attention to job responsibility, required qualification, experience requirement, technical skill, salary information, work location, employment type. This helps ensure that your profile matches the employer's expectations. 3. Prepare your resume. Updated your resume with your latest information, education qualification, payroll experience, international payroll exposure, ERP software knowledge, technical skill, professional certification and achievement and current contact details. A well-structured resume significantly increases your chances of being shortlisted. Fourth, completed the online application. Click on the Apply to Easy Apply button if applying to thin LinkedIn. Fill in the required details carefully and upload your updated resume. Double check all information before submitting the application. Wait for recruiter communication. Once your application is submitted, the requirement team will be review your profile. If your resume matches the job requirement, you may receive an invitation for the next stage of the hiring process, which is typically a virtual interview. Keep an eye on your email inbox, spam folder, LinkedIn messages, and phone calls are updated from the recruiter. Apply link. If you want, you will ask the comment box. Just ask the link. I will provide the link also in description also. Work location. This is a full remote work from home positions. Eligibility candidates can apply from anywhere in India. There is no requirement to relocate, making this is excellent opportunity for experienced payroll professionals seeking flexible remote work. Work schedule: Monday to Friday working days, few day work week, Saturday and Sunday as weekly holidays. This schedule provides healthy work-life balance while allowing you to work with an international organization. Important safety tips: whenever you apply for job online, always stay alert and follow these steps guidelines. Never pay any application fees or registration charges. Genuine employees do not ask the candidates for money during the hiring process. Never share your OTP, bank account details, debit and credit card information, password, or other sensitive financial data. Apply only through the company official website or verified LinkedIn page. Carefully verify emails and messages claiming to be from recruiters. If you receive suspicious requests for payment or confidential information, stop communicating immediately and report the incident. Protecting your personal information is just as important as finding the right job. This work from home job payroll specialist opportunity from Inside Global is an excellent option for experienced payroll professionals who want to build an international career while working remotely from India. Let's quickly recap the highlights. US based multinational company, fully remote work from home role, open to candidates across in India. Few day work week, Saturday and Sunday off, salary ranging approximately 82,000 to 1,65,000 lakhs per month, depending on your experience, skills, and interview performance. Bachelor's degree required, minimum 4-year payroll experience prepared, strong English communication skills required, experience with SAP, ADP, Workday, Strada, or similar payroll systems is an advantage. Opportunity to work with international clients across multiple countries. If your qualification and experience match the requirement, don't wait too long. Private company usually continue hiring only until they find the right candidate, so applying early can improve your chances. I hope this video helpful to understand everything about this exciting work from home payroll specialist opportunity. If you found this information useful, please support Career Next Hub by giving this video a thumb up, sharing with friends who may be looking for international remote jobs, and subscribing to channel for more genuine job updates from India and around the world. We regularly bring verified job opportunity, work from home opening, multinational company requirement, internship updates, freshers jobs, experience professional roles, and career guidance to help you stay ahead in your job search. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you to very best in your career journey. See you in the next video, another exciting job opportunity. Take care, stay safe, and all the best.